James here from DragonBlogger.com. Today with another unboxing of another Redragon product. This is their Dragonite 10 keyless keyboard. This is a Bluetooth keyboard with the 10 keyless missing section. It doesn't have the number key section over here, you know, and all that. It is Bluetooth. It is RGB. It does have 13 preset color functions, so you will have that. It does have a software if you want to change it. I believe it has I think about 1 million different colors or something like that. Off the top of my head, I can't say. You know, high speed, you know, it is detachable, or you can use it with the cord or detachable, so it is rechargeable, which is pretty good, pretty cool. So I want to test out. I'm going to actually test this out on my computer. I'm also going to test this out on my TV. So we're going to try and hook it up to, you know, like my smart boxes or something on my TV. As you can see, it is, you know, small keyboard. It's about the size of this box, but it is a nice little look. The box has a red, you know, dragon design. It is a dust-proof brown switch. Is it a tactical brown switch? It is a hot swappable switch. So if you want to switch out the keys, you can actually get a different key section. On the back, you know, it shows you the plugins, button switches, you know, your advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology, true RGB backlighting, you know, compatible with PC, tablet, cell phones. So you can actually use this on your cell phone. We will actually test that out now that I know you can do that. You know, software available for professional gamers, so you can use the software, change colors, change your keys, set up your patterns. We'll type that. Type-C USB charging cable. So it is a USB-C that plugs into this. It might be a USB on the other side. We won't know until we get it out. Right here it tells us the 5.0 Bluetooth, advanced Bluetooth, you know, 3 platform, included PC, tablet, and cell phone. We're going to test it on a few other things too to see. Maybe the Xbox. We'll try the Xbox, see if it connects to the Xbox. 61 keys, compact, portable design, RGB backlit, built-in battery. It really doesn't say how long the battery will last, which is, you know, one of my questions, and I'm intrigued to find out. Type-C to USB charging cable, so it is a Type-C to USB. Software, you know, available for the gamer. Pretty much all the simple stuff. Let's pop this open. Let's see what we get inside. As you can see, I didn't have to pull the sticker off on the side. For some reason, there wasn't a sticker on the side. And I just ripped the box, but we're going to ignore that. Inside is another box. On the box is a nice little dragon logo. Hopefully you guys can see this. It is a black dragon. Now, I haven't been seeing the black dragon design, but I'm liking that. We're going to pop this open. Let's see what we get inside. Right here, we actually get some key removers. So, the red one will be to remove the key caps. The metal one will be to remove the keys. I will not be doing this because I don't have, well, I think they might actually come with some keys. So let's check it out. We have a little box. It has a switch. It has their logo. Right here it says mechanical gaming switches. So let's pop this little box open. Let's see what switches they give us. So they do give us some hot swappable keys. I don't think I'll be doing this, but it does give you the option, and it gives you red, blue, brown, and black. So you have one of each. Now, if you guys hear that, let's try to do this. Red is quiet. Brown's a little quieter. Man, that blue is clicky, isn't it? I love blue keys. So it does give you the keys to swap them out. That's a nice addition. I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to set these aside. Let's grab the keyboard. Let's take this off. Let's pull this box and let's set it down here. So, first thing we're going to look at is the manual. Manual, you know, pretty much several languages. Dear user, thank you for choosing Redragon as a brand. You know, keyboard layout, why they did the on and off, Bluetooth, you know, Bluetooth indicators, stuff like that. Bluetooth connecting. Pretty much we'll figure that out on a video, a separate video. This is just an unboxing, you know, your key functions, what you can do with your functions. You know, like your RGB, what functions do which. Macro recording for gaming. So it does do macro recording, light recording for different gaming modes. So you can change the colors and record it. That's kind of cool. Actually, let's read a little more of that. Press FN2 plus backspace to light recording mode. Then press it again to start the recording. While the caps key twinkle, press the desired key for the several times to set the light color request to other desired keys. That's kind of cool. Now the keyboard, like I said, is small. This is a keyboard. It doesn't have the number keys. It's nothing fancy. On the back, you do have two little legs, you know, to set it up. You know, got, as you hear, it's not really, it's not that loud. I mean, if I set it next to my Blue Yeti, it'd probably be loud. The cord, braided, probably about 6 feet. USB with the cap, which is pretty cool. You know, there you go, your USB normal to micro USB. On the side, we have our indicators, Bluetooth indicator, power indicator. We have our Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, Bluetooth 3. So we can Bluetooth this to 3 different products, I think, which is pretty cool. So you can just switch it through what it's connected to and then use it. You also have your on and on, off and on, which now it goes on, and it's actually lit up. That I was not expecting. Hopefully you guys can kind of see this. You know, I wasn't expecting it to be charged, but it is. That's cool. There we go. I'm not really sure how we get these colors back, but so there's that. I'm going to shut it off. Take the USB-C. You just plug your USB-C in. Doesn't matter. It'll plug in. So we're going to charge this up before we get into it. You know, for I believe this is like a little under $70. Not bad price, especially if you want a small keyboard that's portable. This is definitely a way to go. I've never had a tenkeyless keyboard. So this is going to be a first for me to test this out and play with this. Definitely going to get some testing in. I'm going to get a software walkthrough so you guys can see that. You know, the software only works on Windows. So just remember that. If you're getting it to change the colors of software, that's Windows. Thank you for watching my unboxing of the Dragonite keyboard by Redragon. And keep your eyes out for the other videos on dragonblogger.com to come. Thank you.